Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the 2013 short wheelbase low roof Ford Transit Trend, 125 brake horsepower. This one is a mobile smart repair van. It's fully kitted out in the rear with all the shelving. It's got the mass compressor and air generator, all fitted out in the back for a smart repair business. All the equipment in the back can be removed if not required. You can just use the vehicle as a van, and we can reduce on the price if you don't require all the equipment in the back. We will remove it. But it's a nice van, it's a used vehicle. It will have a few marks here and there on the body, as it being a used vehicle, but 71,000 miles, it's in pure grey. We've got a choice of these in. They're all on our website. 2013 Trend. Just give you a walk around the vehicle and show you what's in it. It's the cloth three-seater cab area, driver's armrest seat, electric windows, power assisted steering, Bluetooth stereo, got your hand controls there on the steering wheel. It's got a heated screen, 6-speed gearbox, nice and clean in the cab area there. Electric windows. Into the back here, it's all kitted out with a checker plate. It's got the onboard mass generator there, all your shelving, air compressor there, you've got your air valves, and then your converter sockets, all the plugs. I'll just start it up, let you have a listen. There it is, all running. Got this cage in there, shelving. This drops down also for mixing your paint. Like I say, if you don't require any of this, we can remove it. There's a few scratches on the roof. It did have an awning on the roof. Vans also come with a free JS Vans mega warranty offer. We also do same day finance deals. Nice vehicle, use as a van or start the business as the smart repair. We also use it for mobile tyres. Lots of different options with these vehicles. We've got two short wheelbases the same as are on the camera now. And we also have two new shape customs the same. 13 regs with the same kit in. They're all on our website, www.jsvans.co.uk. and we're open 7 days. Any more info you'd like, just call the office and we're here to help. Thanks for watching the video.